Things were going well until they weren't. Cop pulled Drew over as we're heading to the shop, like 10 kilometers.
We'll explain what happened here in a minute. But first, let's enjoy Drew doing everything by himself while we film this.
Great view. That looks slick. That looks awesome. Wow. Now that's a house on wheels. Woo. That's pretty huge, eh? I won't be able to see my family on the other side. Much, much bigger than I anticipated. This thing is coming along so nicely. Whee!
It's gonna be like that at the bottom.
Just different color, charcoal.
That's what it'll be. That's the right dimension.
Yeah.
That's a big storage on this side. And we can stay in it or whatever.
Yeah.
Do whatever. That's all you can really fit.
Yeah, because we need room in the middle.
There. I got one on the other side.
Look at that.
See the legs still and more support. Now that's pretty good. The height's not bad.
No, it's pretty good, yeah.
The height's pretty good. I mean, Kelly. And then the top here, we can play with it, do whatever.
Up in the air. Deck's off. What have you done?
Cleaned everything, over everything. Did like a rusted version on any rust that's under there.
Yeah.
Primed it, painted it. Still maybe got to get a little better inside there, but it's all pretty much all coated.
This is for the Fuso.
Get that Fuso there. That compared to my head.
That would be amazing. That's the front, right?
Yeah.
Ring and pinion. Oh, it comes with popcorn. Awesome. We have the front one. If we are lucky, the vehicle might go to the mechanic this week.
Well, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. Fifth gear plus the TDI tuning together will give us a new vehicle, a new Fuso.
They say that to receive something new, you first have to strip things away.
It looks so naked. Ready to go to the shop?
I'll tell you why. The new ring and pinion lets the Fuso cruise the way it should: calmer, quieter, lower RPMs. Add a proper fifth gear and some TDI tuning, and suddenly this feels like a whole new truck, built for long trips, Baja included. But sometimes life has other plans.
Things were going well until they weren't. Cop pulled Drew over as we're heading to the shop, like 10 kilometers. And we're like 2 kilometers away from the shop, not even. And cop didn't like the lack of fenders. Drew was explaining to him that we just took them off and painting them and they're gonna go back on, and so it's not good, but yeah, he got pulled over. Yay, good news. Finally, the Fuso is gonna get its fifth gear back. A useful fifth gear anyway. You wanna show that off or no?
What did you get?
We got a violation ticket,
Where's the tally?
$109. Defective vehicle.
And he said because the fenders were missing.
Fenders, no lights, no license plate, no mud flaps, front and rear. We got off easy.
Yeah, I'll say we made it here, so we're good now. What an eventful little trip.
It's definitely been a busy season. We swapped the entire clutch, built a home from scratch, made specifically for our Fuso. We ran into gearing issues and a few problems with the law. But after all that, now we're just one step away from our next destination, Baja. Will we finally take our first family trip in our new rolling home? Will our next adventure arrive from Japan? And will Drew ever get a break from all this? Well, some of those answers are coming in the next season of Overland Rigs.
We got off easy.
Yeah, I'll say.